Hello everyone, I have a customer Camry 2016. Customer complain about EBS. The EBS warning lamp appear in the dashboard. So must be checked from the scanner. My scanner is a little bit old. So we'll select the model. So press the EBS, BEC and traction to check the trouble code. Now the result is left rear speed sensor circuit open. There is a problem for wiring or sensor. So now we will delete. We try to delete. So cannot delete the wiring. This is the trouble code. It means there's problem from wiring. So I go back. There's problem from wiring. We'll check one by one the wiring. So off the scanner. So we'll go back. We'll go there in the underneath of the car to check the EBS sensor. Try to lift up the car. So the electrician confirmed the problem here. The EBS wiring, all connector and wiring not loose contact. So the electrician, we are checking here one by one from here. All connector and wiring, no open circuit. So it means there is problem from this EBS sensor. EBS sensor is assembly together with 12 bearing. So I will suggest to customer to replace the wheel bearing assembly. It is together with the ABS sensor. Because we are already confirmed the problem, we check everything, the wiring, if there is loose contact or open circuit. So I suggest to customer now to buy a new ABS sensor. Okay, that's all my friend. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel and subscribe. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.